Hi guys. Right, what happened yesterday was I got tickets, got outside the shop. It was absolutely caning it down with rain. I picked up my bags, left my trolley there, went to the car, put my bags in the car, realised tickets still in the trolley, went back to the trolley, tickets gone. So hence no scratch yesterday. Sorry guys, but hope maybe somebody won a fortune on my tickets yesterday. What do you think? Anyway guys, let's get on to today. We're going to have a battle. I got a load of Top Dog from Co-op and I got the gold £2 card from Tesco's. So it's gold versus Top Dog. Here we go. Hi guys, like I say, we'll start with the Tesco's. Co-op, sorry. Co-op was hot dog. Right, and who are we looking for today? We're going to be looking for Duke, Otis and Sage. We'll start looking for a bit of Sage. It's like stuffing, isn't it? Sage and onion stuffing. Right then guys, how's that? Is that okay? Right then, have we got a Sage? Oh guys, that's not Sage. Oh guys. Not today. Come on guys, let's have a Sage. Bit of Sage. Little bit of Sage. No. Come on. No. Lovely puppies, but none of them are Sage. Who's this? No, come on. Come on. Boo. This one. This is it. It's going to be Sage and Sage. Or one Sage for £50. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Don't know if you can get a £50 win on this. Oh, one Sage for £40 would be nice. Boom. Right then, let's see if we can find Duke. Sage is still missing in action. Right, okay. No, not there. That's not a Dukey Duke. No. Oh, boop. Right, here we go. This is going to be it. Come on. That's not Duke. Ah, that's what I was looking for before. Sage. How rude. No. Right, and here's Duke down the bottom, waiting. No, that's a little Dacky. No, guys, what's happened to Top Dog? They're normally my saviour. Maybe Otis will bring it in for me. Come on, Otis, bring it in. Otis. Guys. Oh. Always away. Eh? Find Duke. But not on the right card. Come on. Let's have a little bit of Otis going on here. Not yet, guys. Not yet. He's gonna come. No. A little bit of Otis. Boom shakalaka. We got an Otis. What else have we got? No. How much is Otis worth? £5. Boom shakalaka. That's nice. £5 for Otis. Otis came through. Yay, guys. That's nice. So, we've got £5 on the green cards. Right then. Let's try the gold cards. Which is the shop to shop in. Right guys, down here we're looking for a diamond. Here we're looking for fingers. And whatever number there, we have to match. Right, and we're going to get a diamond. Got VIP, guys. That's the rubbish. Bars of gold and rubies. And we got. Oh, guys, no diamonds. How rude. Got nuggets, ships, spikes, no diamonds. Right, and what about fingers? Are we going to have fingers? Do you know what? I've never had the fingers. Be nice. Boo! Right, okay, what number are we looking for? We're looking, guys, for number 12. Okay, where's the number? And we got 8. We got 15. Guys, that's a rubbish card. A rubbish gold card. And go to the bottom. Bottom of the pack. Right, here we go. Come on, let's have some nice wins. I've done quite well on these in the past, actually. Right, we've got a ruby, a plane, rings, and a helicopter. And a safe. And a ship. Right, okay, let's see. Have we got fingers? Have we got them? Have we got them? No. Have we got them? Have we got them? No, guys. All right, let's see if we can match this number, what we're looking for. Laboon, as a gambler would say. And we've got starting off with 21. 12, I hate that one. It's one out. It's normally a bad time. And yeah, bad time. Right then, guys. So now that's 2 rubash. We've got 2 rubash gold and 2 rubash. Got to look at my state on this. Oof. Right then, I'll clean that in a minute. Right then, here we go. Diamonds, come on. So far, Top Dog's winning. Gold cards have let me down. They've normally been quite good in the past, they have. But hey ho. Money bag, ruby, military, rings, mansion, and a safe. Boo. Right, fingers, come on. Watch. What is that? It's a car. Doesn't look like it. Hokey cokey, but it's still not fingers. That's all we cared about. Right, guys. We need 22. Can we have a 22? Come on. We've got a 12. I had a 2 in there, I suppose. 21. 20 pound and 11. Boo. Guys. Rubbish. Right, so we've got 3 of these, which are just losers. 2 of these, which are just losers. So today, Top Dog comes out top with Otis and £5. Top Dog. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and see you again tomorrow. Bye.